Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at a 26,800 mAh power bank. This power bank has a built-in light and also has 4 solar panels which can be used to charge the power bank. This makes it a good choice for my camping and hiking friends. Just clip it to your backpack and the power bank will get charged. This was very kindly sent to me. Link in the description box below if you want to pick it up. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section and subscribe to watch more reviews. This is everything that was included inside the box. An instruction manual in different languages. It has really small writing. Type A to Type C cable to charge the power bank. A clip that would fit onto the power bank. The power bank has there, so this would go through there. Then you could put this on your backpack if you want to. That's the packaging. It has some information on this side. Onto the power bank. It is heavy and it is large, but do bear in mind it does have a big battery in there that lasts for a long time. Okay, so if I open that, them are the 4 solar panels which are 12 watts. At the bottom I've already showed you that that's where the clip would fit, the 2 holes there. The power button there, that controls the light. I'll show you that in a bit. This here will light up if you charge the power bank with the sun. That's the solar power symbol there. And these light up. They go from 25, 50, 75 and 100. At the back, the light, which I will show you in a bit. Some information there, just letting us know it's a 26,800 mAh power bank. At the top, if I pick this waterproof cover up, we have 2 type A ports which are 5V 3 amp and then an input output type C port which is also 5V 3 amp. It's a fast charging port. Definitely no water will get in there. I've turned one light off because I want to show you this light. You could see they've lit up as well. Long press the button. This light has 4 modes. The first one is standard. Push it again, that's strong. Push it again, that's SOS. And then if I push it again, that's strobe. And I push it again, it will go off. When you're using the power bank, let me just open that. Put that there. Put the other end to my Google Pixel. It started charging. Now, if it didn't charge, just push this button and it will start charging. And the percentage light has lit up as well. At the moment, the power bank is fully charged. When we first received this power bank, we took it out of the box and we started using it straight away. The battery indicator was on number 3, which means it had around 75% battery. I drained my Google Pixel 3a battery, so from 0 to full, it took 2 hours 20 minutes, and I did that twice. Then I charged my iPad mini 2 using the type A port, of course, because they don't have a type C port. From 0 battery to full, it took 3 hours and 30 minutes. Then the kids also used it to charge their tablets, but I couldn't record that because that was like 20 minutes and 30 minutes here and there. Then when the power bank battery went to 0, I put that on charge with my Google Pixel 3a power adapter and cable. It took exactly 8 hours to fully recharge. We've used many power banks, however, this is by far the best. I use it to charge my cameras, my microphones, and then I thought, will this charge the MacBook? We have the 2020 model, the one with the M1 chip, and it started charging that as well. In the UK, we don't get much sun. If you live somewhere where you get a lot of sun, you don't need electric to recharge the power bank. It's a win-win. Link in the description box if you want to pick this up. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.